When is applying for a credit card a good idea? Welcome to the Miles and Points channel. I'm Steve, and this is our bite-sized point series, where we go over the basics on how to get started in the travel hobby and quick tips on maximizing your points, all under 5 minutes. So there's a few situations where applying for a credit card might be a good idea for you. You need to make a large purchase. If you need to make a large purchase and don't have the cash on hand to pay for it, a credit card can be a convenient way to finance that purchase. Just make sure you're paying off the balance in full each month as soon as possible to avoid paying high interest charges. You want to improve your credit score. If you have a limited credit history or a low credit score, applying for and using a credit card responsibly can help you improve your credit score. By making timely payments and keeping your credit utilization ratio low, you can demonstrate to lenders that you are a responsible borrower. And finally, the most important one, and my favorite one, is you want to earn credit card rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points, miles, or cash back on your purchases. If you pay off your balance in full each month, very important here, these rewards can be a nice perk for using that card. Now, it's important to note that applying for a credit card is not always a good idea. If you have a lot of existing debt or a history of not paying your bills on time, a credit card might not be the best option for you. It's a good idea to carefully consider the terms and the fees associated with the cards before applying, because some cards might have a higher interest rate or annual fees that could offset any of the rewards you earn. I hope that was helpful. I'm Steve, and you're watching the Bite Size series. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.